A druggist has two solutions of alcohol. One is 25% alcohol, the other is 45% alcohol. He wants to mix these two solutions to get 36 ounces that will be 30% alcohol. How many ounces of each of these two solutions should he mix together? In order to solve this word problem, we need to identify what we're going to use for variables. This 25% alcohol is a little weak compared to this 45% alcohol that I think is very strong. When I do an S, I put N's on it so you never think that it's a 5. We now need to write an equation for the amounts. So we do not know how much of this weak solution nor how much of the strong solution we need to mix together. But when we're all done, we should only have 36 ounces. That's our amount equation. Our value equation involves the value for each of these variables. The weak solution is 25% alcohol, and both those get multiplied together, as well as the 45% getting multiplied to the strong solution. And when we're all done, we want it to be a 30% solution for all 36 ounces. We cannot do math with percentages, so we're going to multiply each side of the equation by 100. There's only one term on this side, so it's getting multiplied by 100. On this side, though, we have two terms, so we're going to multiply each term by 100. What this 100 does is make the percent sign go away. Multiplying by 100 clears the percent sign. Let's write these equations again so we can see what we have. W plus X equals 36, and the second equation, 25W plus 45S, is equal to 1080 when I multiply 30 to 36. Well, I still can't get rid of one of the variables because the coefficients are different. So I'm going to multiply everything in the top equation, so the W's will go away, by a negative 25. So if I multiply each term in the equation by negative 25, and writing down again what you have, negative 25W plus a negative 25 times S is equal to a negative 900. Positive 25W plus 45S is equal to 1080. So if I add these two equations together, W's go away, and I get 20S is equal to 180. Trying to get S alone, I multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 20. And I now have that this strong solution is 9. 9 what? 9 ounces. A little hard to read there. Abbreviation for ounces is OZ. And now I need to find out how many ounces of the weak solution I have. I'm going back to that first equation we had, W plus S equals 36, and plugging in this value 9. For S, we have W plus 9 is equal to 36. Solving for W, we add a negative 9 to both sides of the equation. W is equal to 27. So we need 27 ounces of a 25% solution, alcohol solution, and 9 ounces of 45% alcohol solution.